Alright, CSS battle time, and we have a weird thing. I again struggle to name it. Alright. So, a couple ways to go about this. We could have a box here that's on, rotated 45 degrees, and then have something over it with just either borders or a box shadow or something like that going on. And I feel like there's a clever way probably to do that. And the other thing we could do is, I wonder if instead of rotating, I could do a corner shape. There's a bevel corner shape. I wonder if I can get that diamond shape going that way. I'm actually going to try that. Let's go on the HTML. We're going to do the background of this light greenish color. And then we can do box shadow. I'm gonna do this kind of quick, not maybe the best solution, but just one that works. Let's margin it down into place. Good enough for right now. Let's go border radius. Let's start small. Let's go 10 pixels just to see how this works, and then I'm going to crank that up as I go. Border shape. I think that's the right thing. Bevel. Did I do that right? Corner shape. It's corner shape, not border shape. Yeah. If I could type it right, we'd have it. Okay, there we are. Alright, so we have a bevel. Let's start turning it up. 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, that looks like we're pretty close. If we margin it in, is it only going to be the two ends, or can we get all... Let's see. Let's make it a square. Hey, there we go. So 160, 140, 130. Okay, we got that there. 90, 80. Alright, so let's turn this up more. 60, 70. Okay, so that does in fact work to make a rotated corner. Now, really, to do this, we just need these four properties, which isn't excessive considering we'd normally have to have a rotate. I guess that is a little bit shorter than border radius and corner shape. Those are a lot. So we could get it to this and then just have a rotate. But once we rotate, we have to probably rotate again. So let's chase this solution for the moment. So we can actually, no, we can't. I want body could be just right here. It could stop right here at the bottom end of where these lines are, and it could have a box shadow that extends past it and then is shifted upwards, right? But if I don't want to write a second box shadow, so can I use the box shadow on the HTML? It's already being expanded. Okay, here's what we're going to do. We're going to get the body styled. We're going to overwrite the box shadow for right now. And we're going to get it written and then see if we can compare. We're going to reverse engineer it. So we have our background. We're going to go box shadow. We're going to go 0, 0 just to overwrite it so that the body doesn't have any weird styles on it. We're going to go 2 pixels solid for an outline so I can see where it is. It is completely disappeared because of margin. Let's go 0. Okay, it's that big. Oh, we got to take the border radius off. And the corner shape is actually okay. if that might be okay, actually, because if we do like -100 and 0, we can actually get kind of the right shape. 20, 30, 40, and then we do 0. Yeah, we're actually right there at the right shape anyways. So we can leave those on. We don't have to change anything. Like that. Okay, so let's get our box shadow written. We want to be, I think, -20 pixels up to hide what is like a 20 pixel expansion. Nope, not 20, 10. Oh, maybe it is 20. Yeah, it is 20. But we need to go further up. Huh. There we go. So we got to move it up 28 pixels for a 20 pixel expansion, probably because the border radius and shape changes how that works. So if we put the right color on it, let's just see if this gives us a match, and then we can refine. Because I think what I could do, yeah, that worked. That worked. Okay, so 20 pixels. Let's look at it here in our unit golf. Let's see what it equates to. Well, 5VW, I already knew that, but I want a, so 2.5 CH is the smallest font related value. So if we go 2.5 CH, and here we do something like 25 CH. Okay, so what this could essentially be, we could make this -28 pixels. We need more. We aren't quite expanding all the way out with the 25 CH because we moved up. I think you've seen what I want to do. I want to do like 10% or something like that, but we can do something different. We can do 30, and then just figure out what the font value is. So we come here, oops, pressing the wrong buttons, font 10% A. Okay, I think we're still box shadowing excessively. Okay, 2Q is too much, 1Q is not enough. I think my line height, so 10%, there's a minimum line height, and so what's happening is the percentage value was explained earlier. Someone very kindly commented what's happening here. On my end, it's not looking right. On the back end, it doesn't have that minimum font height setting in the browser for the back end, so this might render more appropriately. But I want it to be 2.5 CH. I should just I need to do some math for this. So let's go 2.5 divided by 30. No, that's not right. 2.5 would be 10% of 25. It's going to be even less. So yeah, it is 8%. Let's go 8%. Let's see. Let's just see if my theory that the back end isn't quite right. We'll see in the score. 95.4. Okay, no, that doesn't work. 1 pixel. We could do M values. Let's just do M values here. What was 20 in M? 1.25 M. Oh yeah, 1.25 m, and so if we did 12.5 m here, that's not enough. So 125 m, and then we do 1%. Oh, and I think that won't. No, that works. That works because we're still not dropping below the minimum font value. So let's see if that works. Okay. All right. Now, my other idea, I don't think I'm going to take the time to do it. My other idea would have been to rotate the HTML with this box shadow and combine it the same way with font. And then, but we'd probably have to do a second rotate on the body because, you know, we got 45 degrees and then we have to rotate it. You know, the body would be poking out this direction at 45. You know, instead of going vertical, we'd have to rotate it again. So I don't know if that would work easily. It rotates. Those are a pain. 7 VW for 28 pixels is a pretty nice reduction that I was not expecting. And then 70 pixels, what can we get for that? I don't know if we can get anything. 74Q. All right. Oh, I bet I can do like 1 inch here. Yeah. It's just it's like the 50% value is pretty much what we're doing for the border radius and this corner shape bevel. It's a decent one. I haven't gotten to explore corner shape yet. I don't think I've used it yet. So I don't think this is going to be best. I bet a rotate is going to be better. I don't even know if box shadow is going to be better, but that's what I got. So I'm going to leave it there, and I hope you're having fun with this, and I'll catch you later. Oh wait, let's minify, and then I'll catch you later, because I want to see what my final score is. There's a couple spaces I gotta get after I get this minified. This one here we can get rid of, and this one here. And we're good. Okay, we're at 138. Cool. I hope you're having fun with this, and I will catch you later.